What's up, fam? How you guys doing? And welcome back to another video. For those of you who don't know me, I go by Samdicating and I do travel and history videos. Go ahead and hit that like button because that is a way of supporting the channel. So I just got over here to see if the car was ready because they told me I could pick it up on Friday, which is when you're watching this. It might not be Friday, probably be a week out or something, who knows. But I just came to see if they were done with it, and let's see how far they got. Let's see.
Show you what it do. Oh yeah, loco, escúchame bien. Si puedo lograr todo, pues tú puedes también. Ahora tengo carros, ahora tengo casas, ahora todo está fluido como sangre de la raza. Let me introduce you to the reason.
Marlos llegó.
¿Apenas?
Apenas, porque ya están terminando de alistar para
Ya está terminando.
Ya está terminando.
Ok.
Porque después en Candelilla no puede ver.
Cool.
Así, o sea, que cuando lo va a pintar todo le queda así.
Ah. Buen trabajo.
No pasó nada, no pasó nada.
¿Ah?
No ha pasado nada.
No pasa nada. Solo falta hacer todo. Solo la pinta.
Trajeron de Bogotá.
¿Sí? ¿De Bogotá?
Está durmiendo dentro del camión.
¿Está durmiendo?
Sí, el hombre le costó dormir porque pues ellos tienen supermercados y cargan todo el camión de fruta y salen a las 2 de la mañana y pues tienen que llegar a dormir, pero no me gusta el camión así, nada de eso.
Solo falta que lavarlo, tengo que lavarlo. Tengo que lavarlo.
Increíble.
Increíble. Listo, entonces nos vemos a las 4. Gracias. Alright guys, so as you saw that they basically finished the car, man. That junk looked brand new. They did a great job. He's in there working on a whole nother project from somebody from Bogotá. And so all they got to do now is just finish wiping it up, you know what I'm saying, do what they need to do with that. Then they're going to put in the light, and then they're going to bring it to the car wash to get washed, and it's going to look as good as new. So I just told them I'll come back later. I don't need the car right now. So I'm just going to come back later after it's all wiped up, washed and clean, and I will show you guys the finished project. Thank all of you guys for your like button. Thanks for the comments that you guys been leaving in the comments of these videos. Also, this might be the last video in terms of the car situation. And if you guys want to see what happened, how it all occurred, please go ahead and check out the previous videos. I will leave those links in the description below. That way you guys can be caught up for the ones that haven't been following along. So I will touch back in with you guys when I'm over there picking it up, the finished product all the way through. So yeah, in the meantime, in between time, check out the B-roll.
Get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking, I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often, I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids, talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend, keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my Lays, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again.
You guys, they dropped off the car to get it washed, but after leaving it there for an hour and he went back to pick it up, they never washed it, so he's gonna bring it to another spot. Also right now he had to go get another light because when I brought the car here, the light was working and then now the light is not working, so they gotta go get another light because of course when it rained, he said when it rained earlier, when it rained yesterday, maybe the water went through and, you know, fused out the light. So I'm like, yeah, no problem, just replace it, you know. So that's what they're doing. That's it, no problem. So the car is completely finished. I'm going to go ahead and get this washed. Follow him to go get this washed at this one spot up there, and then I'm going to show you guys the finished product, and then I'll close out the video. So es como 2019 arriba. Yo quiero 2014 hasta 2018, ese estilo.
Bueno, yo ahí lo dejo entonces.
Listo, gracias, hermano.
Ya sabe dónde gritar, mi número tan.
Perfecto.
Creo que sale usted primero que yo.
Muchas gracias, chao. So guys, I'm at the car wash place now. I'm washing the car. I paid for the thing. I already finished talking with them and they did a great job. So I hope it's not too noisy so I can go ahead and close out the video right now. So the car's getting washed. I'm going to close out the video and then show you guys a B-roll of the finished products. So one thing you guys need to know, the full price I paid is around $150, $165 depending on the conversion. So that includes me buying the new lights, and that includes me paying for the labor and everything for them to fix, to do all the painting, all the reparations and all the reparations, all the repairs and all that and everything. So that's pretty much the price, anywhere between 150 165 depending on the conversion of from the dollar to the peso to the dollar, right? And so I already spoke with them and everything, and maybe later on this year, maybe at the end of the year, I'm going to get the whole body repainted so everything could just be seamless. The reason I don't get it repainted now because I parked the car outside, as you guys see, and it's always in the sun. But I plan on moving to another place where I have like my own parking, or where I'm not parking in dirt, you know. So that's pretty much the price for that. For those of you guys who are wondering, this series, I guess you can say, with the fixing and the repairs of the car is completely finished now. And I'm jumping into more regular adventures, vlogs, course history videos, and any random boring thing that I will put up. And I still have to do the apartment tour of those new apartments, so I still need to talk with the people about that. So that takes time, my brothers and my sisters, that takes time. So guys, got the car washed up and clean, And so that's pretty much all I have for this video. I thank all of you guys for tuning in, for watching, for following the adventure with me fixing the damaged car and everything, but still money that I did not want to dish out. But the car is washed up, clean. You can see it's like it never happened. Got a new light right here matching this side, and it just looks better now, you know. So people drive crazy here, man. And thank all of you guys for watching. You remember to hit the like button. That's what's supporting the channel. So now I'm back on a regular scheduled program of doing whatever videos and vlogs, and of course the history. Like always, check out the playlist. I will leave links to the other videos before this one, that way you guys can be caught up to what I did. That way you guys can be caught up to everything and all of that. So for those of you who are just tuning into the first video, for those of you who are just tuning into this video for the first time, so like always, thank you for tuning in, and thanks for all the comments, all the likes. And to close it out, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next adventure. Peace.